What's up, guys? Right here I got a video update on the RAM. Just got done installing a flip kit on it. It's at a 5-inch drop in the back. The front is still stock height. Right now I'm debating in leaving it like that in the front or not. It has that Cali lean, looks pretty good. I might drop it 2 inches in the front, thinking about it. As y'all can see right there, it's not too much a gap. It's alright. Got the headers, long tube headers, and my alarm. Pretty messy. The horn is falling down. You know, when shitty shops do the work. But check it out. Not a lot of gap. Could still go 1 or 2 more inches to tuck a little bit more. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I'm on my 20-inch Dodge rims. The plastic dip is coming off. Haven't messed with them. I have some 26s. But yeah. Let me go ahead and show y'all the bottom. Those are the CalMax Super Shocks from DJM. You can see the flip kit right there. And there are the shackles. Let me compare the height difference between this. This is my Pops RAM. Pretty big difference. Got a bed cover now. Thinking about doing a blow through with 2 FI SP415s. Might even go ahead and do 4. Still debating on it. Yeah, but that's how it looks. Looks pretty good. Got my stock parts right there. Got a kicker CVR. I'm thinking about putting another one so I could run 2 kicker CVR 10s. I sold the sound cubes just for a little system for now until I do a big system. But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I know I took a while to do this video. I haven't uploaded, but hope y'all like it.